Guys, it's horrendous out here. It has been raining for hours and hours and hours. Gale force winds as well, which have slightly calmed down a bit. My various plants have been blown over. The tropicals are being drowned. Likely to have all sorts of root rot issues, and there's absolutely no sign of the rain stopping. Don't think it's going to get too cold tonight, so I'm going to worry too much about temperatures. But if I was worried about any plants being short of rain, that's not going to happen. I picked 2 lemons up earlier that had fallen over. I can see some of the smaller plants have fallen over as well, but I'm not going to go and bother. Oops, lights, security lights gone off. But I'm not going to bother going out and picking them up. Just going to leave until tomorrow and hope it's not raining in the morning. Right, I'm going to get back in the dry.